Foam operations may seem like an intimidating task. This video and some hands-on training will help you feel confident in participating in foam operations. The Class B foam at the refinery is used for extinguishing fires and suppressing vapors of flammable liquids. We will start with the equipment used in small incidents and work our way to equipment used in large incidents. This video does not cover foam operations completely. Further information is available from your instructors and the fire station staff. The ProPak is used in small incidents where the fuel is confined to a few square feet. The refinery's 2 ProPaks are located on the brush truck and are designed to be used with different supply lines. The ProPak for use with a 1 3/4 inch hand line is located on the driver's side behind the cab. The other ProPak is located on the rear tailboard. It is to be used with the brush truck's booster reel hose. The ProPak holds 2.5 gallons of foam concentrate. Extended operations using the ProPak will require refilling. After choosing which supply line is appropriate, remove the ProPak by squeezing both sides of the locking clip, grasp the ProPak by the handle, and remove it from its storage position. Attach the chosen supply line. Remove the outlet hose from its storage position on the ProPak. Connect the female coupling of the outlet hose to the male coupling on the ProPak with a 1/4 turn until it locks into place. 3 nozzles are stored on the ProPak. Each has its own characteristics depending on the needs of the incident. The medium expansion nozzle is designed for suppressing vapors of Class B fuels and has a reach of about 9 feet. The low expansion nozzle is designed for use on Class B fires for extinguishment. It provides low foam expansion and reaches about 35 feet. The short straight stream nozzle is designed for Class A foams. It has minimal foam expansion and the longest reach. After choosing the appropriate nozzle, connect it to the outlet hose with a 1/4 turn until it locks into place. The foam proportioner regulates the concentration of foam solution depending on the type of foam and the fuel. For Class B fuels, turn the selector to the appropriate percentage indicated on the dial. After moving into position, call for water from the supplying source. Aim the nozzle for the appropriate application technique. Twist the flow control handle to begin flowing the foam solution from the nozzle. The brush truck also carries a longer outlet supply hose if needed. It is located on the passenger side behind the cab. Although all of the foam engines carry foam concentrate in onboard tanks, there may be a situation where foam concentrate will need to be transferred to an engine. Let's look at some options on how this can be accomplished. Foam from one engine's tank can be transferred to another. In this example, we are showing how to transfer from foam engine 1 to foam engine 4. There are several options on how to accomplish this task. Operations will determine which method is used. One option is using a 1 3/4 inch soft hose. Remove the outlet cap. Attach the female coupling of the 1 3/4 inch soft hose to the male outlet. Extend the hose or connected hoses to the receiving engine. Here, foam engine 4 has 2, both with 2-inch cam lock couplings covered by a cap. Adapters are required to connect the 1 3/4 inch hose to an outlet. Remove one of the couplings and its cap. Attach the 2.5 inch double male adapter to the female inlet. Attach the 2.5 inch female to 1.5 inch male adapter. Attach the 1.5 inch double female adapter. Connect the male hose coupling. When all connections are made and both pump operators are ready, open the transfer valve on the supplying engine and the supply valve on the receiving engine to begin the transfer. Now you will see how to connect 2 engines with a foam supply hose. Adapters are required to attach the foam supply hose to the outlet. Locate the transfer valve outlet of the supplying engine on the driver's side of the pump panel below the sideboard. Remove the outlet cap. First, attach the 1.5 inch double female adapter to the supplying engine's outlet. Then, the 1.5 inch male to 2.5 inch female adapter. Next, attach the 2.5-inch male to 2-inch cam male adapter. Now place the foam supply hose female coupling over the male coupling and press down the two locking cam levers to secure the hose. Extend the hose to the receiving engine. At the receiving engine, remove the supply valve inlet cap. Attach the foam supply hose female coupling to the male coupling and move the cam lock levers into the locked position. When all connections are made and both pump operators are ready, open the transfer valve on the supplying engine and the supply valve on the receiving engine to begin the transfer. When more foam than the engines can provide is needed, a foam tender can fill the need. Foam tender 1 holds 4,000 gallons of foam concentrate in its divided tanks. The two outlets, one for each tank section, are 3-inch male cam couplings located on the passenger side behind the rear wheels. To connect foam tender 1 to an engine using a single foam supply hose, remove the outlet cap. Locate and attach the 3-inch to 2-inch cam reducer using the locking levers to secure it in place. Remove the reducer's cap. Attach the foam supply hose using the locking levers to secure it in place. At the receiving engine, remove the supply valve inlet cap. Attach the foam supply hose female coupling to the male coupling and move the cam lock levers into the locked position. When all connections are made and the pump operator is ready, locate the tank belly valve identified by a red handle near the tender's outlets. Remove the rubber strap and pull the handle for the corresponding tank. Left for the rear tank, right for the forward tank. Next, open the outlet valve on the tender and the supply valve on the receiving engine to begin the transfer. When larger flows of foam concentrate are required, a different connection can be made with foam tender 1. On the passenger side near the rear are 3 20-foot 3-inch foam supply hoses. One of these hoses can be used with a reducing manifold to connect two 2-inch foam supply hoses to the two supply inlets on foam engine 4. All of the connections are cam lock couplings. As with the previous scenarios, when all connections are made and the pump operator is ready, locate and open the appropriate tank belly valve, outlet valve, manifold valves, and engine supply valves to begin the transfer. Foam engine 4 and foam aerial 1 may also receive foam into their onboard tanks through the direct tank fill connections at the rear of each vehicle. The source of the foam must be a pressurized source, such as another engine or foam transfer pump. Just like foam engine 4, foam aerial 1 can also receive foam through its supply valve inlet and transfer foam through its transfer valve outlet as described earlier. The Ambassador monitor trailer can also be used to apply large volumes of foam. The information provided here focuses on how to make the connections needed to use foam with the Ambassador. This video is not a complete guide on how to set up and operate the Ambassador. Before beginning to use the Ambassador, ensure that a sufficient water and foam supply are on scene. The items needed, except for soft supply hose, are available on the trailer, most of which are in the black storage box. A quick reference guide is posted inside the storage box lid. Locate and collect the following equipment located on the trailer: a 3-way gated Y, 3 jet ratio controllers or JRCs, 3 lengths of hard supply hose, 3 PVC foam stabs, 1 trimes, 1 length of 3-inch hard supply hose. Items needed that are not on the trailer include 2.5-inch soft supply hose to connect to the engine, 3 1 3/4-inch soft supply hoses, 3 2 1/2-inch soft supply hoses. The connections shown here are only one of the 3 needed. Follow the same steps for connecting the remaining JRCs. Connect the soft supply hose from the engine to the inlet of the 3-way gated Y. Connect the sections of 1 3/4-inch hose to each of the outlets on the 3-way gated Y. Connect the 1 3/4-inch hose sections to the inlet of the JRCs. Connect the 2-inch hard supply hose to the side coupling on the JRCs. Connect the 2-inch hard supply hose to the PVC foam stabs. Connect the 2.5-inch soft supply hoses to the outlet of the JRCs and the other end to the trimes. Connect the 3-inch hard supply hose to the Trimese outlet and to the foam inlet on the ambassador nozzle. Totes of foam can be used to supply foam application operations. There are 2 ways to access the foam in a tote. To connect to the bottom outlet, raise the access door if present. Connect a threaded female to male cam adapter. Connect the foam supply hose to the male cam. Open the top cap to allow air to enter the tote. Open the valve by turning the handle so that it is in line with the outlet and hose. To access the foam concentrate from the top, unscrew the cap. Place the PVC foam stab, already connected to hard supply hose, in the top opening. Totes are a static source and require either gravity, if they are on a trailer, or a pump to move the foam concentrate. You can use an engine, a jet ratio controller, or a foam transfer pump. When using a foam transfer pump, it is important to know the direction of the pump by looking for the label with the direction arrow. Connect the foam supply hose from the tote's bottom outlet to the suction strainer on the foam transfer pump. This should be on the side of the pump with the bottom of the arrow. Connect another foam supply hose to the outlet side of the pump, indicated by the tip of the arrow. Place the end of this hose at the destination. A dump tank may also be used during foam operations. Use totes on a trailer emptied by gravity or a foam transfer pump to fill the dump tank. This foam concentrate may be drafted by an engine, or a jet ratio controller can be used to create foam solution.